Do you know Punch, the baby monkey who was rejected by his mother? Punch was abandoned by his mother the moment he was born. He trembled in deep anxiety, as if he had been left completely alone in the world. Whenever he tried to approach the group, he would be grabbed, scolded, or chased away. Unable to join the group, and barely able to eat, the keepers had to feed Punch themselves. Seeing how extremely anxious he was, the keepers came up with an idea. They knew that baby monkeys find comfort by clinging to their mother's fur. So they offered him furry gloves, soft bundles of fur, and stuffed toys. Among all those objects, Punch chose an orangutan plush toy made by IKEA. For Punch, the orangutan toy was not just a plaything. It was like a reassuring mother whenever the keepers were away, or when he felt frightened in unfamiliar surroundings. On days when he was rejected by other monkeys and didn't know how to fit in, he would quietly go to a corner and hug the orangutan toy tightly, as if asking it to soothe his sadness. In psychology, attachment is considered a very important concept, and primates like humans gain emotional stability through touch and physical contact. In fact, a famous attachment experiment showed that baby monkeys preferred a soft cloth mother over a cold wire mother that provided food. Warm contact is almost an instinct for survival, and for Punch, the orangutan toy became a substitute for the warmth of his mother's embrace. The little monkey who lost his mother learned about the world while holding the orangutan toy close to his heart. But then, something about Punch began to change. He slowly started to put down the toy he once clung to so tightly, and began approaching the other monkeys first. He is still clumsy, and sometimes gets rejected, but Punch is now learning to seek the warmth of real friends instead of a toy. Please cheer for Punch, who once clung to an orangutan toy to survive his fear, but is now bravely stepping out into the world on his own. Your like and subscription can give great strength to this little monkey who has found the courage to try,